This is a video on how to use a chromatic tuner and tune a reed. If you look at this, the needle's supposed to be ahead by up actually here to where it says +10 for what I want. It's close, and that's why the green light's on. But a lot of people don't know this, but after you play your note on one of these, the needle will hold to a position. So to grind it and bring it up in pitch a little bit, I use an industrial razor blade, placing it under the reeds so that I have something to work with. I use a Dremmel tool because they don't displace the reed much and they work real well. So I know that I'm going to have to pick up the pitch a little bit here. 2 light taps should do it. I can go just a hair more, and I'm going to. Might as well do it right while I'm here. I'm going to bring it up just a little bit more. That's it. See, a very light tap. It's close. I'll go up just a little bit more. So I come back and just do the same thing all over again. You can always do more, so I tend to go slow on this game. I think that should be enough. That's a very light graze. Yep, 5. Okay, since this one's correct, I'll go ahead and circle that. That was an F that was down 1 and now it's +5. That's basically how it's done.